How to fix if your Outlook view suddenly change or keep changing. So in this video tutorial we are going to talk about a possibility and solution. So in this video I'm going to show you one few methods that you can use and you can solve your problem 99%. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Outlook here. So your Outlook view suddenly change or keep changing. So for so first step you have to take that, find out you have create if you have created the custom view, go to the view and under the view change here go to the manage view. Under the manage view you can see this is the by default view. Okay, but if you create the new view like this, okay, it is new view. Okay, you can rename it. Okay, it is by, yeah, it is, let me, yeah. Okay, so new view, if you create if you have created the new view or any other view, just remove it temporary and just click on OK. And now just change the view, just go to the change the view and you can reset. Okay, or you can reset from here. Okay, after you reset you can see there has been reset. Now this is your current view. Now go to the view setting, go to the other settings, and here you have to click on this check marks. Please tick mark on this check and you have to just tick mark on it and just click on OK. So it will be reset all. Again you have to go there and go to the reset current view and your current view will be reset. Okay, you can change by manually like this. You can change layout from here. You can off on off here. This is folder pane, this is email pane, and this is preview pane. So you can on off from here. Okay, you can also change email view arrange by date from anywhere. Okay, so guys, from here you can reset everything, but there is another method that you can use. Go to the window, open window, go to the run, and here type this command. I will show you. Okay, this command you have to enter outlook.exe slash clean view and click OK. Then your view will be clean. Please note that before that you have to close your Outlook. Now you can see my Outlook view has been reset. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.